In the world of blenders, Ninja has consistently raised the bar with innovative designs and exceptional performance. This Ninja SS151 TWISTi Blender Duo is no exception, boasting cutting-edge features that redefine the art of blending. With its powerful motor, intelligent technology, and versatile functionality, this blender is a must-have for anyone seeking a seamless blending experience. In this review, we'll delve into the details of this remarkable appliance and explore its capabilities. The Ninja TWISTi Blender Duo exudes a sleek, modern aesthetic that complements any kitchen decor. Its sturdy construction and robust design ensure durability, while the gray finish adds a touch of sophistication. The blender's compact footprint makes it easy to store, and the detachable parts facilitate effortless cleaning. The true prowess of the Ninja TWISTi Blender Duo lies in its exceptional performance. The built-in Twist Tamper, hybrid edge high-speed blades, and 1600 peak watt motor work in harmony to deliver the smoothest purees and finest blends imaginable. The Twist Tamper ensures that ingredients are pushed down towards the blades, creating perfectly thick outputs like smoothie bowls and nut butter. The hybrid edge blades assembly is a marvel of engineering, capable of blending, chopping, and crushing at high speed to deliver a better breakdown of frozen whole fruits and veggies, nuts, seeds, and ice. This results in smoother blends that defy expectations. smartTORQUE technology maintains high speed even under heavy food loads, ensuring uninterrupted performance. The Ninja TWISTi Blender Duo boasts an impressive array of features that make it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With 5 functions at your fingertips, you can easily create extractions, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreads, and bowls with the touch of a button. AutoEC technology takes the guesswork out of drink making, utilizing intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to deliver perfect results. The removable drizzle cap allows for the customization of flavors and textures, while the nutrient extraction cup ensures better ingredient breakdown for perfectly smooth drinkables. The spout lid makes it easy to enjoy your creations on the go. Operating the Ninja TWISTi Blender Duo is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and clear instructions. The blender's easy-to-clean base and dishwasher-safe parts make maintenance a cinch. The detachable parts and self-cleaning function ensure that cleaning is a hassle-free experience. Conclusion: the Ninja SS151 TWISTi Blender Duo is a revolutionary appliance that redefines the boundaries of blending. Its exceptional performance, intelligent technology, and versatile functionality make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a foodie, or a busy professional, this blender is sure to impress. With its sleek design, ease of use, and remarkable features, the Ninja TWISTi Blender Duo is an investment worth considering. If you're in the market for a high-performance blender that can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease, look no further than the Ninja SS151 TWISTi Blender Duo. Its unparalleled performance, intelligent technology, and versatile functionality make it a game-changer in the world of blenders. Whether you're a seasoned blender enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of blending, this appliance is sure to exceed your expectations. Pros: exceptional performance, intelligent technology, versatile functionality, easy to use and clean, sleek and modern design. Cons: none notable. Final verdict: the Ninja SS151 TWISTi Blender Duo is a must-have for anyone seeking a seamless blending experience. Its cutting-edge features, exceptional performance, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Don't settle for mediocre blends. Upgrade to the Ninja TWISTi Blender Duo and discover a world of limitless possibilities. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on your favorite kitchen gadgets.